Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make this beautiful vintage, as you can see, let me just show you, pocket, which is 3-fold pocket. And for this video I've prepared some stuff. But before I explain how to make it, please subscribe for my channel, also like this video and watch all the rest of the videos, because probably you are going to find them very useful. So let's start. I'm going to use, this is US letter size paper, and it's cardstock. It's 180 grams. Those patterns, you can find them in my Etsy shop. The name of this kit that I made is Forest, so they look very nice. And I'm going to use some, like I said, cardstock, but if you are more comfortable, you can use, of course, regular paper. Of course, using the regular paper, it's going to be more easy to fold the pockets, but I find it very beautiful with cardstock, because I want to make them more, how should I say, hard, like, not like pockets, but still, I can't find the right word, I'm really sorry. So let me just choose one of those big, they're very beautiful. As you can see, it is very difficult for me to choose which of them. Okay, probably I'm going to use this one. And I'm going to put the other aside. Okay, I'm going to use the length for this pocket. You can use the height, but I'm going to use the length because my, like I said, like my my paper is in this side, and it's in this side, of course. It is very easy to make. I'm going to fold this part here, and we will have a little bit of cutting, of course. I'll just take my scoring board. I'm always taking my scoring board. And I'm going to cut a little part from this paper, and I'm going to tell you how I fold them. As you can see, let me just take my trimmer. As I said, I'm going to trim a little part from this, and I'm going to remove it. But we are going to use this trim part. Don't forget about this. So, right now, as you can see, my papers, I know that those two those two parts look different. It's good. I'm going to fold it here and here, like that. And now I'm going to fold it in half, like this. I'm sorry that my cat is meowing. Apparently she wants to come here. And I'm going to fold the upper part like this. So let me just explain one more time. This part is fold. I cut this part here because it was very long, and I'm going to fold it like this. Now I'm going to fold this part that is here like that, and imagine it's like pocket. See, it is very easy. And I'm going to use again my scoring board to score all those lines, and I'm going to tell you which part you should cut, but not cut out like cutting it. Okay, let me just okay, I'm ready. So I'm going to show you which parts you should cut. Okay, now it is the moment of truth. I'm going to cut this line here, this line here, this line here, and this line here, because I want to make pockets. Okay, I'm ready. So I cut here and I can fold it like that. I cut this part and I can fold it like this. I cut this part and I can fold it like this. Fold like this. And the rest of it, because it's going to be a part for the I don't know, lid. I'm not sure for the word here that I had to use. I'm sorry for this. It's going to be like this. Okay. So let me just take my glue, and I need one more thing, one more punch. Let me just take it. I need this punch here. This is my watch that you heard. I have very interesting watch. On every single hour there is animal that makes some different sounds. Okay, I'm going to glue first, like I said, the lid. I'm not sure for the word, I'm really sorry for this. Okay, so I'm going to fold this part here and I'm going to glue it. I'm going to fold this part here, but I'm going to, as I'm folding this, I'm going to stuck this part, the whole part, I'm going to stuck it. I'm not going to make pocket. You are going to see what I'm going to do. Okay. And I want to make pocket here. That is why I need this sponge. Okay. Then I'm going to stick it like this. So for this part, I'm going to do the same thing. I can make the pocket from this part. It's going to be more beautiful like that. So I'm going to stack this paper. This paper here on the right won't be my pocket. But this paper here is going to be my pocket here. Let me just trim some parts of it. Okay, now I have my two pockets. They are ready. I'm going to okay. My pocket here is almost done. I said that I'm going to use this part and I'm going to make this little pocket, which is here. But I'm going to stick it on the other side. You can make your pocket as long as you like. Let me use again my scoring board. I'm going to use a little more glue. But before this I have to make a pocket, as I said. So this part is going to be like that, and I'm going to make my pocket. I don't think that I cut it properly. Let me take my trimmer. This is my little pocket. gonna glue it here. Okay. And let me just put a little like a decoration here. Okay. Okay, it looks very beautiful, as you can see. And I will put a little more decoration with this pink lace somewhere. Probably somewhere here. It's going to look beautiful. Okay, and I'm done. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. It was very easy. Probably and I hope that you are going to make those pockets because they're very easy to make. One more time, if you liked my papers, I'm going to put a link down below in my Etsy for my Etsy shop. And if you like them, go and visit my Etsy shop. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that it was very useful for you. So see you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.